Hello, let's see how to use CEB HubMocap. To download it, you have to go to the GitHub page on the release page and you'll find this version. As a gift, I added a custom code so 5 people can get for free the 4DHumans module. Okay, so you download the add-on and you have to download also the module where you can get for free using that link. I tested with 4.4 and 4.5. After installing the HubMocap, you can take a look on the tab and you have the option to see 4DHumans. You can also see our Patreon, clicking on the site if you want to support us, and talk to us on Discord. Now let's enable 4DHumans. First thing, you have to go to the down part about the installation options. You have to select a folder to place the module. In this case, I'm setting for AI. You can press the install options to see those options. Here you can download the module. We have 5 free downloads for this launch. And after downloading the module, you can select the zip file here. In this case, I have this. It's an 8 GB file. Accept it, and you start unzipping it. So it's going to extract to this folder that you've selected. After finishing, you can go to the part where you have to get the SMPL file. If you don't have a registration, you can use this link to go straight to the page to register. But if you already have a registration, you can enter your account, your email and password, so the script can use it to download the file. This data is not sent anywhere, it's just for the script to download the file that you have to authenticate to download. Then you can press the download SMPLPKL. So it's going to download the file. Just wait for a while. And after download, you can press the setup SMPL. And now the configuration is done. You can hide this information and you can choose a video to test. And press run. Yeah, there's one missing thing that I forgot. If you don't have, you have to install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. You can get it pressing on this link and execute it. You just have to do it once. And now let's try again. Run. I had another error because on this virtual machine, for some reason, it can't download this file. So if you had the same problem as I have, you have to take a look on this link and see that it's trying to save on this folder, this checkpoint folder. So you can control click, it's gonna open on the browser, and you have to save on this path. Let's do it. So it downloaded. Now let's place on the correct path. Copy, you go to C, users, GPU, cache, torch, hub, checkpoints, as you can see here. Place it, and now let's run again, luckily for the last time. This first execution is nice to have the console open. To open the console, you click on Window and toggle console, System Console. After the status is done, it's nice to press the update button so it can take a look on the generated file to see how many characters you have in it. Here you have just 1, so you just have to leave it at 1 and press the button Import Mocap. And it will import the file that was processed from the video, where you can press play and see the result. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun.